Welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of cards using the things that I bought from the Stampin Up clearance rack recently. I don't know if you remember, but I spent £20 on the clearance rack, and I got I got a 6x6 paper pack, a 12x12 paper pack, a twin pack of glitter of tinsel trim, a box of 25, I think it is. I think there's 25 in, oh no, 45 foil bows, and I got a card making kit, which I've already made a video showing me making cards with that. I've got them here. No, I haven't got them here. So today I'm going to show you what I've made using the this paper stack, which I got for, was it £3.20, I think. This is Quilted Christmas. I got £3.20 off the clearance rack, and there's tons of paper in there. I think it's 48 sheets of 6x6 double-sided in there. And I'm going to be using one of these lovely bows as well. And the rest I'm just going to be using cardstock, so you don't need a lot of gear. This Cherry Cobbler 12x12 cardstock I got from the clearance rack last time it was renewed. This was on there for £3, I think, for a pack, which was really a real bargain, so I grabbed that. So that's what I'm using as my base. I'm making a big card today. I'm making a 6x6 square card. So that started life as a 30.4 centimetre 12-inch piece by 15.2, 6 inches. That's 15.2 centimetres. And I just scored it at 15.2 centimetres, 6 inches in the middle. And then I've taken this lovely green small pattern DSP, and this measures 4 by 4 inches, which is, can't see my conversion, 10.2 centimetres squared. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to glue it into the middle of my card. You can see the red in this stack is real red, and I'm using it with Cherry Cobbler, but you'll see that in some of the patterns it doesn't really matter. So I took this pattern, this paper, which you might recognise if I put it closer together, and I just cut a 4 by 4 square, and then I cut it into 4 triangles, and they fit into here. So that's where I'm going to pop those. And you can see in there that there's a red in there that actually does go with the Cherry Cobbler. This darker red here. So you've got to start going through from Blushing Bride really on those little triangles. Probably real red to a more Cherry Cobbler looking colour. So that's cool. I just pop those like this. This is kind of in keeping with the patchwork theme of the paper as well, because I'm kind of patching it together. If you can hear snuffling and rustling, it's my dogs. They've come in. There's loads of scraps on the floor, scraps of paper, so they'll come in and they'll pinch some and run out with them. Think they've got something they're not allowed to have. Then my next step is to put this Cherry Cobbler square, which measures 2.5 inches square, so that's 6.4 centimetres. Excuse me. And I'm going to pop that on dimensionals. So I'm just going to pop 4 dimensionals on. before I my dog's found a chocolate wrapper, so he thinks something amazing's going down. Oops. Yeah, so before I pop that on, I just wanted to thread. Oh, actually, I want to put it behind the white, sorry. No, actually, no, I do want to put it there. I made my mind up in a minute. I was thinking I wanted to contrast against something, and it's not going to contrast against the red, but it will contrast against that. .8" piece, 3.8 centimetre piece of Whisper White, and I've used Old Olive. I thought I had Garden Green actually out, and it was Old Olive, so I'm just using that to stamp with Love at Christmas on there. Okay, and then what I wanted to do was get a couple of my big jingle bells that I'm going to put on there. Just to finish it off, but you don't need to add those. I'm going to also add a couple of these delightful, or at least one of these delightful little bows. Right, I mean that's looking lovely anyway, but then I'm just going to add a couple of little jingle bells. Just bear with me a second. Oh, and there's my little jingle bell and bow, and it's got it all going on, hasn't it? It's lovely. So I really like that. Look what you can make for, I mean, you could make dozens of these for a few quid from the clearance rack. How cute. And it jingles, jingle, jingle. These these jingle bells come from the works, and you get like multicoloured bags or gold bags or silver bags, whatever. They're about £1 a bag. Fabulous value. Oh yeah, satisfying, and just love it. Lovely, and that's a lovely big card, that as well. So I really like that.